I'm located here in Nipomo, Central Coast, California, and I'm excited to give you a tour of this property located in Trilogy at Monarch Dunes here on the Central Coast. Now, this is one of the most popular resort-style golf communities here on the Central Coast, San Luis Obispo County, and this home is a great example of what you can buy. It's listed on the market, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, all single level living, beautiful Spanish California style home, quite elegant. This is right on the golf course, and I must say, this is one of my favorite golf courses. So if you enjoy golf and you're looking for a golf community here on the Central Coast, maybe you're relocating from out of the area, my goal here is to give you an idea of what your money can buy with this walkthrough. And we'll take a look at the community as well. There's a lot of amenities here for Trilogy, including that amazing golf course. You have a great restaurant. You have a sports bar as well, not included in the actual community. It's not owned by Trilogy. It's separate, part of the golf course there. Spa, tennis, there's a lot going for this community. So let's go ahead and take a look at this home available for purchase here and give you an idea of what your money can buy here in Trilogy, Central Coast, California. Let's go. This home is a Carmel model, and as you can see here, it has an expansive open floor plan, all single level living. And this room here you can see is great for entertaining guests, or if you want to put in a larger dining room table. And you can see there the kitchen has an oversized island. Really quite a fine home here. One of the highlights is this home is that rolling wall with screen door. It seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. That screen is perfect for allowing that fresh air to come in, but keeping those unwelcome bugs out. Like I said, great open floor plan here. Expansive, oversized island, very usable kitchen here, perfect for entertaining, and you have that access to the living room there. Walk-in pantry, as you'll see here in just a minute, plenty of storage space, really blends that modern look to it, full of amenities here on this home. Here in the laundry room, you see access to the garage. It's a 2-car, very spacious garage. In addition to that 2-car garage, there is a 1-car garage, perfect for your golf cart or your sports car, whatever additional car you may have. So total of 3 cars. Ample outside natural light coming through, which really creates a great indoor outdoor space. And as you can see here, walking out the backyard, and it's an expansive lot here. We're at 12,000 square feet for the lot. Almost all of it is usable. 2 side yards and this backyard here with the flagstone, perfect for entertaining guests or just watching those golfers out there. Now let's talk a little bit about the community here at Trilogy at Monarch Dunes. So there are about 1,400 homes, single family homes and attached residences, and there's some more developments that are expected to increase that. So it's situated on the Central Coast, beautiful weather as you can see here, very temperate. The homes at Monarch Dunes, they start around the mid 900s to the mid 2 million range. And so the community boasts an array of amenities. You include the Monarch Club. It's a 31,000 square foot clubhouse. Adelina's Bistro, Sandalwood Spa, recreational facilities, obviously the golf course, which includes a 12-hole challenge course, and lots of outdoor spaces, including tennis and pickleball. So overall, a great community, very desirable in Nipomo. Hey, thanks for joining me for the tour. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think about this home? Is this a home that you would see yourself living in? If you've got questions about this home, you want some more details, or any others here on the Central Coast, reach out. Happy to share any more details or offer any insight. As a local, I lived here on the Central Coast my whole life. Just happy to be a resource. Again, please like and subscribe, and thanks for joining me on the tour.